Hello, Mr. Dowse here, and in this video we're going to look at task 6 in our Python coding. I haven't done a separate video for tasks 4 and 5 because I basically give you that code, and in the first piece of code we just write one potato down the screen with a series of print statements. There it is, like that. And in task 5 it's more or less the same thing, apart from the fact that we write it across the screen separated with these /n pieces of code, and I ask you to tell me what you think they do. So let's have a look at task 6, because we've got the /n, we've also got the /t, the // and the /quote. So let's run this code and let's see what happens. And here's my output. And the thing to notice about the first set is that it still goes down the page. It goes 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4, 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato, more. And what that /n is doing, and this is really important, is within a string, if the system sees a slash followed by an n, it creates a new line. So it writes the code down the page even though it's written as a single print statement. So that /n gives you a new line in your output. The second line of code has got a /t, and this is it just here. Let me make that a little bit bigger. It goes here: 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4, 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato, more, and it's all quite well spaced out. And the reason for that is this /t means tab. So it's a handy way of getting things to print out in a very precise order if we were doing a table or something like that. So /t gives us a tab. You can see it doesn't actually print the /t on screen, it simply puts in a space. The third one, well, we've got //, okay? And what it does, it's written 1 potato / 2 potato / 3 potato / 4 / 5 potato / 6 potato / 7 potato / more. And the reason it's done that one / even though we wrote in 2 is because when we write a / within a Python string, this is known as an escape character. So Python looks for the next letter along to know what to do. It knows something special is going to happen. And that's absolutely fine, unless for some reason we actually want to write a / in our string, and then we can't do it. So what we've got here is the way we can write a / in our string. We say escape character, and then actually what I wanted was just a normal /. So we have to write it in twice in order to create that /. And the final one, well, in between each one this time I got a quote. And again, this is quite interesting because if you think about it, if you put a quote in a Python string, you're actually saying this is the end of the string. So really, this line of code over here should all now be white. Let's take that / out and see what happens. It's turned white, look. And that's because we've ended the string just here. But the /, well, Python knows that that is a special escape character, and then it knows, because I put a quote after it, I actually want it to write the quote as part of my string, and that includes that quote in my line of code. And that is what you needed to have explained for task 6, the difference between new line, tab, writing a / in a string, and writing a quote in a string. Thanks for watching.